Now I am situated in a wonderful place in Kerala. This is the world's most famous museum for teak plants. If you are coming by car or bus, nothing to worry. There is a wonderful and fantastic parking area. This is the wonderful ticket counter to the teak museum. Let's go to the real wonder of natural beauty, and you can see route map of this area. You like this place?
Yes. Yes.
What's your name?
Yes.
Come.
Come.
There is a wonderful golden statue in the beginning. Adi is a wonderful blogger. What is the name of your channel, YouTube channel?
These experiments.
Oh, very good. You are a scientist. You want to become a scientist?
Yes.
Oh, very good. There is a wonderful waterfall made by human hands. Everywhere this is so greenish, even in the entrance itself, okay? Children are playing even in the entrance. This is the beginning of the waterfall, okay? Everywhere they decorated this place so beautifully. How is this place?
Very nice.
You came from where?
From Rani.
Rani, okay, you are enjoying.
Yes.
You are having a holiday here.
Yes, sure.
Okay. This is a root of 65-year-old teak plant. This teak museum is having multiple areas. Now I am situated in the first part of this teak museum. This is a teak museum itself. You already watched this place?
Yeah.
How is this place now?
Wonderful.
Okay. You enjoyed it?
Yeah.
Now I am in the teak museum itself. See, even the doors of this wonderful place is made up of teaks only. Everywhere teak and teak. See, this is a Kannamara teak. This is very old. See how bold is this teak. You have to be in your life like this. Whatever situation arises in your life, you have to stand like firmly like this in every situation of your life. This is a model of Uru, an ancient sailing vessel made up of teak plant. Now I am going through a wonderful bridge of teak. There is a wonderful natural scenery around this teak bridge, and there is a very old teak plant lying in between. There is wonderful and beautiful teak plants. It's so wonderful to come across this place. These teak plants are around me. You can see and enjoy multiple plants and trees. But what is nourishing it? There is a long root going inside the earth and nourishing these plants. Actually, this is giving life to these trees and plants. Our life is also like that. We are also having a root in our past. So we have to find our root. If our roots are having any disease which is making us sick now, then we have to go and treat that. Understand? Like this teak plants are having deep roots going into the deepest part of the earth. We all are coming from different families. Like that, these teaks are also having different families. You like these teak plants?
Yes.
Okay, enjoy. In Kerala, most of the houses and also the tables and also household things are created by this teak. There is a lot of examples of this teak household wooden things. This is a very old teak plant which witnessed multiple of historical events. Examples of some of the events are written here. This is a creation starts from a seed, yeah? This is a magnified model of a teak plant seed. There is a lot of different areas which is explaining the nature of teak plants, okay? Yeah, this is butterflies. wonderful creatures of the planet here. Butterfly Park also situated near this teak museum. Like a king, you can walk around this place and enjoy. Quality of teak plants are mentioned here. Different kind of teak plants are shown here, okay? If I got a chance to sit here, I was utilizing it. But unfortunately, it's not allowed to sit in this wonderful king style Attutotil. Traditionally, most of the Kerala homes are having this kind of teak household things. Nilambur teak is most famous all around the world, even now. We all are coming from different families. Like that, these teaks are also having different families. It's so wonderful to come across this place. Wonderful and very old. These teak plants are around me. Many foreigners are coming this place. Yeah. There is a lot of places in order to sit and enjoy the natural beauty in this park, okay? You can feel natural calmness in this place. How is this place? You like it? You are enjoying, yeah?
Enjoy.
Enjoy. How are you? Fine? This is the route map of this beautiful park. Hi, how is this place? You are enjoying this place?
Yes, yeah, really.
From your appearance itself, I can understand you are working in the parlor.
Thank you.
Okay. Then. This is a wonderful village style area in the entrance. We can sit here and enjoy the village beauty here. It's so wonderful to sit here and feel the calmness of this place.
Johnny is Papa, eating sugar no Papa, telling lies no Papa, open your mouth, ha ha ha.
Very good, very good. Even the small children of Kerala are talking English very nicely. Congratulations, okay? Hey guys, let's come and play chess with these frogs. Nobody can defeat these frogs. Every time they are winning and winning. So wonderful to see this sight in this entrance of this park. Now I am at the entrance of this Biosource Natural Park. Let's go. There is a wonderful play area for children in this park. Many children are playing here. These children are enjoying well. Sir, this is a wonderful place for photographers, yeah?
Easy.
Okay.
We have to enjoy.
Okay. A small child is playing through this ropeway.
Place Usharaitan.
Oh, very good.
Very good.
Many people from different places are
coming.
Country.
Okay. Thank you.
Are you enjoying the place?
Yes.
Many people are coming here na, to enjoy this place?
पेपर ही
ओके
बहुत लोग आता है
पूरा इंडिया से लोग आता है इधर देखने
पूरा इंडिया से आउट कंट्री से भी आता है
ये one child is enjoying in the bicycle throughout this park. Yes, hi Aditya, you always enjoy the bicycle ride here?
Yes.
Every day you come and enjoy?
Yes.
Enjoy your studies also like a bicycle ride, okay?
Thank you.
Okay. This is the wonderful and beautiful watchtower situated in this park.
Baby, baby, baby shark. Mama, mama, mama shark. Daddy, daddy, daddy shark. Grandma, grandma, grandma shark.
Oh, very good. I am going to enter upside of this clock tower. You can see a wonderful emblem of this herbal garden here. Now I reached the top of this watchtower. It's very interesting to see the whole place from this place.
Wonderful.
How is this place?
Wonderful.
And fantastic.
Fantastic.
Okay. Hi. This is the entrance of this taxonomic garden or botanical garden, okay? You can find multiples of monkeys in this park, okay? Now we are going to enter the kingdom of orchids. This is epiphyte orchids. See, there is 75 kind of orchids in this kingdom of orchids plant. Okay, how wonderful is this vanilla plant? See, different kind of orchids. Very good. You can find a lot of natural playground for children here. Not only for children, for adults also. A parent is, and you can find many families are enjoying their evening here, enjoying with his newborn. Here, new couples are enjoying their honeymoon throughout this park. An excellent romantic experience in this park. You can see a lot of butterflies flying here and there throughout this park. So beautiful. Even this botanical garden is maintained in order to enjoy the beauty. Whenever we are thinking about botanical garden and all, we are not thinking about the end. Everywhere the wonderful beast of natural beauty you can see. What a wonderful. I was so hungry and thirsty. I was searching for a hotel. All the hotels are closed now. See, there is drinking water available here, both cold and hot. So blissful for this water. While shooting, I forgot about this thirst and hunger. That's what, when we are going to a flow state of life, we forgot everything else, but never forgot our health. Our health is first, okay? And also whenever you are going to a tourist destination and all, always remember to protect your health. Never take too much risky things. If you lose your life with risky things, then what is the benefit of traveling and also enjoying these wonderful places? You can find a wonderful statue which is showing the importance of water. You can see a lot of butterflies flying here and there throughout this park. So beautiful. Even this botanical garden is maintained in order to enjoy the beauty. Whenever see this wonderful plant, this is known as Ana Tamara. Ana means elephant, Tamara means lotus. Elephant lotus. See how big this plant is. I was searching for the botanical name of this plant. This is known as Victoria Amazonica. I think this is grown in the Amazon rainforest. They are maintaining the beauty of this place through every day, Okay, congratulations. They are protecting this nature. This is the area of butterflies in this Tech Museum. You can find multiple of butterflies flying here and there, okay? Different. There is plantation of new plants are happening here. See this wonderful flower growing through this plant. So wonderful, and it's a new experience for me. See this plant. This is like a kayar. But this is naturally it is twisted like this. See how he is enjoying this place, okay?
Very nice place.
Yeah. It's very, but we are not understanding the beauty of this place. Yeah, visitors are very less now. Today is not a holiday, that's why visitors are very less.
Today climate is also good.
Good. Yeah. But there is a lot of slippery areas there, I think.
Yes.
Yeah.
Slipping too much.
Yeah. We have to be careful. Okay, park is surrounded fully by forest. You can enjoy the beauty of forest also while visiting this park. You can find multiple of passages here. I am walking through one among them. You can feel loneliness here, calmness here. You can beat your fear here. Welcome to the kingdom of medicinal plants. All these plants are the hosts of this wonderful park. They are welcoming human visitors in this park. You want to see the dinosaurs of the plant world? Let's come. This is the most oldest plants of the planet, known as fern. Let's come and visit, okay? Everywhere the wonderful beast of natural beauty you can see. What a wonderful. You can see the emblem of Kerala Forest Research Institute. That too created with the plants only, see, so wonderful. This jeep is made up of plants, okay? So wonderful, yeah. We have to respect the nature when we have to avoid all this kind of traffic problems and all. We have to go with electric cars and all. Such a message we can get from this. There is no words to explain. There is millions of songs to sing. So wonderful this Nilambur Teak Museum is. You can see millions of medicinal plants in this garden. I have no time to explain. You come and study, okay? They are working here. How is the work? Fine? Fine? They are removing this kala also, okay? All these bad plants from this area. Kala, it's named as kala in Malayalam. Even in this forest there is multiple calm and quiet seats to sit and enjoy your love. Your trip to this wonderful teak museum is not only an entertainment but also a chance to learn a lot. This is Kalluvaya with a lot of medicinal values. They are planting a lot of new plants also here. This is the wonderland of natural beauty. Let's come, breathe and enjoy. It's so excellent to be inside this small hut created with lot of medicinal plants. You can see a lot of butterflies flying here and there throughout this park. So beautiful. He is treating the monkey with banana. There is a wonderful and fantastic and natural Milma booth and Milma cool bar in this park. You must enjoy it, otherwise you will become hungry when you reach the end, okay? Natural. Actually the Milma products are Kerala's own products, okay? Now I am going back from this Nilambur Teak Museum. It was so experiential in this place. I came in a working day, but the experience was excellent. It was a natural fantasy, natural reality which we have to experience.